Got her all bolted up. I know my welds aren't pretty. This is my first time using the flux core welder, so they absolutely suck. But hey, you know, you gotta start somewhere. But yeah, she's on there, so I'm gonna just get the rest of the saw back together and do some runs. Alright, so I got it all on there. Looks pretty mint. This is just a Remington. I'm using cheaper saws right now just because I want to try and perfect my pipes before I put them on my good saws, so that's why I'm running saws like this. So start her up.